Midnight Cuts, how may I help you? Okay. We need to schedule an updo for this afternoon. Alright. We'll see you at 3 o'clock. Bye. Hi. Are you the 3 o'clock updo?
Yes, I am.
Alright, right this way.
Thank you.
Christine! Your 3 o'clock updo is here!
Anne-Marie?
Yeah.
Christine, nice to meet you.
Hi.
Have a seat.
Well, thank you.
What is it you're interested in today?
Updo.
Hair. Voila! What do you think? Check it out.
I don't like this. No.
Who made these?
No.
What?
What?
When it all comes crashing, now we got a big, big mess on our hands tonight. Sing it. Now we got a big, big mess on.
Come to Midnight Cuts, or else.